Hello all, welcome to the programming screencast of PageRank. I hope it is now clear to all of you what is PageRank. PageRank is basically an algorithm that is used to rank nodes in a given graph. In this particular programming screencast, I'll be telling you how can you find out PageRank from random walk method using random walk method. So first of all, let me tell you what is random walk. As the name suggests, when you have to traverse the graph randomly, it is called a random walk. You pick any node from the graph randomly and look for its outlinks and traverse one of its outlinks randomly. Then you look for the outlinks of the present node and then traverse one of its outlinks randomly. In this way, you traverse the whole graph if it is connected, obviously. So I'll be giving you an example and it will become clear to you what is random walk. So as you can see, we have been given a graph here in which we have A, B, C, D, E, F and G as the set of nodes. So first of all, I'll initialize the counter of each of the nodes. So I have initialized the counter of each node as 0. Then I'll pick a node randomly from the given set of nodes. So I picked A here and I incremented its counter 2. Then I will look for the neighbors of A. What are the neighbors of A? We have B, we have F and we have G. We have to pick a node randomly from the neighbors of A. So we will pick a node randomly and we have selected F and we have incremented its counter 2. Then we will look for the neighbors of F. What are the neighbors of F? We have G, we have E. So we will pick a node randomly from the set of neighbors of F and increment its counter 2. So we have picked E and we have incremented its counter 2. Then what are the neighbors of E? We have A, we have C and we have D. Now we have to pick a node randomly from this particular set. What is the set here? Set is A, C and D. We'll pick a node randomly. We have picked A and incremented its counter. So now we have A2, B0, C0, D0, E1, F1, G0. So what do you think here? Is this the final page rank? The values that we have mentioned here? No. We have to keep iterating it, this random walk method. We have to keep reiterating it as many number of times as we can. And at the end, our PageRank values will be same as the actual PageRank values. So next, we will look for the neighbors of A. So what are the neighbors of A? We have again G, we have F and we have B. So we will pick a node randomly from this set. So we have picked B and we have incremented its counter 2. Then what are the neighbors of B? We have only C as the neighbor of B. So we will traverse C and increment its counter. So we have traversed C and we have incremented its counter 2. Then as you can see, C is a sink here. What do I mean by sink? C is a sink here. It has no outgoing edges. So what we can do here? If we encounter a sink in graph, we will pick a node randomly from the given set of nodes. So we will pick a node randomly from the given set of nodes. What is the set here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You can pick any node from the nodes of a graph. So next we picked D here. So D, we picked D and we incremented its counter 2. Then we will look for the neighbors of D. What are the neighbors? We only have C as the neighbor of D. So we will pick C and we increment its counter. So we picked C and we incremented its counter. Then we again came to C and it is a sink. It has no outgoing edges. So next we need to pick a node randomly from the set A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we picked F and we incremented its counter. Then we will look for the neighbors of F. What are the neighbors of F? We have E and we have G. So next we picked G as the node and we incremented its counter 2. So in this way you keep on traversing the graph for many number of iterations and at the end the values that we have shown here will reflect the PageRank values. Yes, so how can you be sure of this method? Well, we'll be simulating it, we'll be implementing this method, and we'll be showing you that this random walk method actually reflects the right PageRank values. So let us move towards the programming screencast of this PageRank implementation, and you will be getting a clear idea of how this method works in practice. Thank you.